today I'm going to be showing you a fun, exciting activity that you can do at home. All you need is 3 simple ingredients. You need some water, some shaving foam, and some food colouring. You can choose any colour. Maybe get your child to pick what colour they want. That might help them get more engaged. So you just fill up a container with some water and get the shaving foam. You can get your child to do this as it might make it more interesting for them. And simply add some shaving foam to the top of the water, like so. Then you just take a few drops of food colouring and put it on top of the shaving foam, like so. And then you just wait for the magic to happen. This activity helps promote the children's communication and language. It can also help maintain their focus, and the older children can help make predictions about what they think might happen. You can also add more colours and see what happens if the colours mix. Have fun!